Screen Studio versus Camtasia. Choosing the right screen recorder can completely change how you capture and edit videos without complicated setups or lag. Both offer powerful tools, but their approaches and features differ significantly. Screen Studio and Camtasia are popular screen recording tools designed for content creators and professionals. The core difference lies in Screen Studio's focus on lightweight, real-time recording, while Camtasia combines recording with advanced video editing capabilities. Screen Studio is a streamlined screen recorder designed for quick and efficient video capture. It works by allowing users to record their screen activity with minimal system resource usage, ensuring smooth performance even on less powerful machines. Its strengths include real-time recording with low latency, an intuitive interface, and easy sharing options. However, Screen Studio's editing features are basic, focusing mainly on capture rather than post-production. This makes it ideal for users who prioritize simple, fast recordings without needing extensive editing tools. Whether you're creating tutorials, live streams, or quick demos, Screen Studio offers a no-fuss experience optimized for speed and reliability. Limitations include less robust editing and effects compared to more comprehensive software, so it may not suit creators looking for detailed video polishing or multi-track editing. Camtasia is a comprehensive screen recording and video editing software tailored for professionals and educators. It captures high-quality screen footage and integrates a powerful editing suite that supports multi-track timelines, annotations, transitions, and effects. Camtasia works by combining recording and editing in a single platform, allowing users to refine their videos extensively after capture. Its strengths lie in its versatility and depth, providing tools to create polished, professional videos from start to finish. Users benefit from features like cursor effects, quizzes, and templates, which enhance engagement and production value. On the downside, Camtasia requires more system resources and has a steeper learning curve. It's best suited for users who need detailed editing capabilities alongside recording, such as educators, marketers, and content creators producing high-quality tutorials or presentations. For those who want an all-in-one solution with advanced post-production options, Camtasia stands out. Screen Studio excels in delivering fast, lightweight recording with minimal setup, perfect for quick captures and live demonstrations. Its simplicity makes it accessible, but limits editing flexibility. Camtasia, in contrast, offers an integrated workflow with powerful editing tools, ideal for users who want to produce polished, professional content. The trade-off is higher system demands and a more complex interface. For example, if you need to record a quick software demo with little editing, Screen Studio is efficient and straightforward. But if you require detailed annotations, transitions, or multi-layered edits for a training video, Camtasia provides the necessary tools. Choosing between them depends on whether your priority is speed and ease, or comprehensive editing and production quality. Choose Screen Studio if you want fast, reliable screen recording with minimal fuss and basic editing, especially on lower-end systems. Opt for Camtasia when you need a full-featured solution that combines screen capture with advanced video editing. It's the best choice for creators aiming to produce professional, polished videos with detailed post-production control. Your choice depends on your workflow and editing needs.